MPDA. You can arrest us on the preventive detention ordinance. You apply the law, we will talk about the law. But you just cannot simply use this as a tool to prevent the legitimate expression or protest. We will not allow. Even if you are being instructed to deal with us harshly, we will face it. So which is why I'm telling them, allow us, we will go. Then we will decide there. Not here, we will not decide. We will decide there how many of us will go. Because we know that all of us will not go inside. We can go in. We will see where is the convenient place, but not here. So if you are stopped here, we will not go. We are measured enough, like what we did last time. We protested in the main secretariat and we feel that the people are not convenient. We shifted. We are responsible leader, but we cannot be dealt in this manner, no? Because we know the law. We don't want to go to the board, because if we go to the board, your political master will not face a problem. You will face a problem. We want to protect you, which is why we know that despite the fact that this is unlawful order, we do not want to go to the court. It is a contempt of court clearly, and who will face? Who will have to go to the court if we file a case? You, the officers, will have to go, not these bloody political masters. The more convenient place, you know. Please allow us. Please allow. Kan yang ni, kalau menjaga kita.
We condemn corruption. We condemn corruption. Down, down,
NDA.
down, down,
NDA.
down, down,
NDA.
long live
VPP.
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 down, down,
NDA.
down, down,
NDA.
we condemn,
NDA.
we condemn
Corruption.
we condemn
Corruption.
we condemn
Corruption.
we want justice, we want
Justice.
we want
Justice.
we want
Justice.
we want
Justice.
down, down,
NDA.
down, down,
NDA.
down, down.
NDA.
VPP, long live! VPP! VPP, long live! Long live!
I'm done. Vivek, please don't treat us like boys. Don't treat us like boys. We have agreed with the district administration. We will be here. You need not to tell us. Please, we know.